product. GEESYS makes various products to residential segment user, where the electrical appliances are taken care by GEESYS product range. GEESYS design and manufactures EB metering panel, automatic voltage stabilizer, automatic water level controller, automatic EB-DC changeover switches, home UPS, distribution boards, and many more. All these products are used to safeguard and make comfort to the residents. We have supplied 13 service EB metering panel to one of our client as a special application product. This kind of EB metering panel are installed in the main electric power incomer. Electricity pole or a Discom power cable is connected to this panel as an incomer. Panel distribute the power to individual tenants of the building through energy meter. GEESYS has manufactured this 13 service EB metering panel as a L shape. The panel is proposed to install in a high corrosive area of the city near the vegetable market. The client wanted to keep the panel outside of the building. There is a possibility of high corrosive dust and water. The flashing water and dust should not enter inside the panel. The panel is specially made for outdoor application as per IP54 to install under the sun shade. The panel is L shaped. The first half of the panel with the incomer is kept on the wall side of the building. Next half of the panel is kept 90° opposite to the wall. The panel is constructed with 16 kg CRCA steel fabricated metal enclosure. GEESYS uses only TATA Steel MS Sheets to fabricate all our panels enclosure. The panel is floor mounted with 100 mm base, steel fabricated with ismc channel. All the GEESYS EB metering panels protects the client's load against overload, short circuit, electric shock and etc. The complete panel is constructed with a high conductive ETB grade copper bus bars. The grid incomer cable is connected to 500 amps input rewirable fuse, and each meter is protected by 63 amps rewirable KitKat. In the given 13 service EB metering panel, 10 services are single phase meters, 3 services of 3 phase meters. Each 3 phase service output is connected to 440 volt 4 pole C curve 63 amps 10 kA MCCB as per IEC 60947-2, and each single phase service output is connected to 240 volt 2 pole C curve 40 amps 10 kA MCB as per IEC 60947-2. The neutral cable is connected through a neutral link, and all the cable entries of the single phase meter are from the bottom, all 3 phase meter at the top as per customer requirement. We have given provision to mount the Discom or TNEB energy meter with a heavy duty ISI grade 6 mm hylum sheet. The ceiling provision is given in all the doors of the incomer, meter, busbar chamber as per TNCRCA or Discom guidelines. ROIB indication lamps are provided in the incomer to monitor the availability of 3 phases of the grid. In general, all the GEESYS EB metering panel uses 10 square mm FRLS flexible copper wire as per IS 694. The complete panel is double earth. Completely left and right side of the panel is having earthing provision to connect it to the earth bed dedicatedly. Each services is provided with IP65 protected polycarbonate weaving glass to monitor the energy meter readings such as voltage, current, power factor, energy, transient, and so on. All the MCBs are covered by IP65 polycarbonate hinged flap transparent lid, which gives dust and water protection. In general, the grid power cable is connected to 500 amps input KitKat fuse. This 500 amps rewirable fuse is connected to a high conductivity copper bus bar. From the common copper bus bar, the wires are connected to 63 amps rewirable fuse to safeguard the energy meter. From the provisioned energy meter, again the cable is given with the provision to terminate in the Discom meter. The cable is given to connect to output MCBs. The necessary louvers and ventilation arrangement are given to ensure better cooling and efficiency of the panel. The panel is beautifully labeled and ferruled for the ease of operation and future arrangements. The complete panel is going through strict quality check. We conduct thorough routine tests prior to dispatch. The EB metering panels are designed to manufacture as per TNEB and local Discom guidelines. All of our metering panels are approved by many local electricity boards. Thank you.